Do you want to make a 12-volt lithium-ion battery with a battery management system for your project? In this video, I am going to show you how to make a 12-volt lithium-ion battery pack with battery management system or BMS. Hey there, my name is Jiyad Kobir and I am a big fan of DIY. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to make a 12-volt battery with lithium-ion cells and battery management system. And when it's done, you will have the means to power your 12-volt electronics project for days on end. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. What is BMS or battery management system? A battery management system is any electronic system that manages a rechargeable battery or a battery pack. A BMS may monitor the state of the battery as represented by various items such as voltage, temperature, current in or out of the battery, health of individual cells, state of balance of cells, etc. In this video, I am using a 3S BMS module. The S represents how many cells are in series. I am using three 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery in series. If we take a look at the BMS module, we will see 6 pads. The P plus and P minus pads are for charging and discharging the battery pack. B plus and B minus is for positive and negative terminal of the battery pack, and the rest B1 and B2 pads are for positive end of battery 1 and 2. In that way, the BMS can monitor each individual cells. At first, I will need to connect the cells in series. I am using a soldering iron and electrical wires to make the connections, but spot welding with nickel strip would be great. Although I don't have a spot welder. So if you want me to get a spot welder, make sure you like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. Now let's go to the main part of video. Before soldering, I am taping the batteries together to make the job easier. When you soldering at the terminals of the battery, make sure that not to hold the iron tip to the battery for long, because it will overheat the cells and the lithium-ion battery don't get along with heat and can be dangerous. So keep that in mind and please ignore my hair, it's a mess. Now that we have connected the cells in series, I will check the voltage and it's 12 volt. Now it's time to make the connection to the BMS module. I am using some hot glue to attach the BMS to the battery. You can charge the battery and also discharge the battery from same pads in the particular BMS. Now I will connect each cell to the battery. I will give the circuit diagram at the end of this video. The positive terminal of first cell goes to B1 pad. Second cell goes to B2 pad and the positive terminal of third cell goes to B plus pad. The negative terminal of this battery pack will be the negative terminal of first cell and that goes to B minus pad of the BMS module. Now I will make the connection and fast forward the video and you guys enjoy the music. Now we will check the voltage on the BMS board and it's 12 volt. Now we have made all the connections. I am going to wrap the battery pack with some tapes. I'm making this battery pack to make an backup power system for my router and optical network unit, which will be the next video on my channel. So make sure to subscribe my channel and push the bell icon to get notification of my next video. Thanks for watching this video and leave a like if you like this video. And you can check out my other videos too.